welcome to another episode of Vic's Garage. In this episode, I'm going to be getting the bumper, trunk lid, and most of the rear body panel stuff disassembled. So without wasting any further time, let's get to it. Now I was trying to figure out how to get these torsion high tension bars out that hold the trunk, these over here, and I wasn't quite sure. My friend that I mentioned in the last video there, on the Mr. Norm one, Mopar nut, he gave me some advice, which was to use a ratchet strap. So I'm going to show you how I get the last one out because it actually worked really well. Ratchet strap on the bar. Anchored over there. And done. Make sure you prop your trunk better than I did. There you have it, guys. Got the bumper and the trunk lid off. Body panels are almost completely disassembled, all the exterior stuff. Next big thing I think is going to be getting the glass out of the car. We got a couple warm days coming up, so hopefully I can get the car out into the driveway, let the heat help with getting that out. If you enjoy this, as always, please hit that like and subscribe button. And hopefully you've checked out some of the recent historical stuff out there now. I've got a cool video on Mr. Norm, so if you haven't seen that, check that one out because it's pretty good. That's about it for this one, so I'll see you at the next one. Take it easy, guys.